In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change volume in YouTube Music. First, let's start by opening your preferred web browser. This can be Google Chrome, Firefox, or any other browser you typically use. Once the browser is open, type in YouTube Music in the search bar. As you do this, you will see search suggestions pop up. It's important to click on the right link that leads you directly to the YouTube Music site. This step is crucial because navigating to the correct site ensures that you have access to all the music features you need. Once you've located the link, go ahead and click on it to proceed. Next, if you are not already signed in, you may be prompted to do so. This is a simple process where you can enter your credentials such as your email address and password. Signing in is essential as it allows you to personalize your music experience, access your playlists, and more. Once you enter your information, click the Sign In button. After this, you will be redirected to the YouTube Music homepage. You should feel confident knowing that your account is secure and ready for use. Now that you are signed in, it's time to choose a song or album to play. You can browse through different genres, playlists, or even search for a specific artist using the search bar at the top. Once you find a song or album that appeals to you, click on it to start playing. This step is significant because selecting the right music sets the mood for your listening experience. You will see the music player interface appear, indicating that the song is now playing. As soon as your chosen track starts playing, look towards the bottom of the screen. A set of options will become visible, which includes various controls for playback. Among these options, you'll want to locate the volume icon. It typically looks like a speaker or sound symbol. Recognizing this icon is important, as adjusting the volume is crucial for enjoying your music at a comfortable level. Once you've spotted the volume icon, you are one step closer to customizing your audio experience. Now click on the volume icon. This action will reveal a slider that allows you to control the sound level. To adjust the volume, simply drag the slider left to decrease the volume or drag it right to increase the volume. This flexibility lets you fine-tune your listening experience based on your environment and preference. It is reassuring to know that you have full control over how loud or soft your music plays, ensuring it fits perfectly into your day. With these steps completed, you can now enjoy your music at the desired volume. Remember, adjusting the volume not only enhances your enjoyment but also helps protect your hearing in the long run. Feel free to return to the volume slider whenever necessary to make quick adjustments based on your needs. Enjoy your music and happy listening.